Strings have a method called match, which accepts a regular expression as an argument and determines if the string matches that expression. So, a match method in JavaScript is used to search a string for a specified pattern, specifically with regular expressions, and it actually returns an array containing the matches, or null, if the match is not found. It says to update your spam function to implicitly return the result of calling the match method on MSG, passing help regex as the argument. Okay, so let's call first the MSG and then interpolate the method match. Within it is where we input the argument help regex. Mhm. Okay, nice.